And so I'm back in Hyderabad, and this is the love of my life. He's always with me in all my videos because I'm just in love with this boy. And today being a Sunday, I'm thinking I want to feed my child what I've been eating: baby corn and mushroom. Put it on a sandwich, and it's with mayonnaise. It tastes like pizza basically. So I'll need to rush and go there. But the other option would have been to actually kind of find out about breakfast places. But no, yeah, I'm in the mood to stay home and cook something for my child and all. But this yesterday, last evening we went to the supermarket, but by 10 it was closed. But hopefully right now it will be open.
We also had a creepy encounter with the creepy man who got in our car.
Yeah, true. It's actually very scary. Actually, that person was helping us out to, when one is alone, there's nobody to help out, So one is that much more vulnerable, I would say. But really, people, it's a 1-minute video, and once I make something yummy to eat, probably I'll click some photos and post it on Instagram. So come, my friend, come. Let us eat our food, and let us first go and get all the stuff and come. So yeah, so that's what I'll do. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe. Thank you, sweetheart. Mwah.